Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a winter special recipe, hot chocolate. This is a classic, no drama, thick, creamy hot chocolate recipe, for which all we need is full cream milk, cornstarch, cocoa powder and dark chocolate. Let's begin with adding 500 ml milk to a saucepan on low flame. Then combine the cornstarch and cocoa powder with some milk. Blend it into a smooth slurry and try to avoid lumps as much as possible. Well, we still do have some lumps in our mixture. We blame it on our lack of patience. When it comes to making hot chocolate, can't wait to drink it, you see. But you do make sure to get lump-free mixture. Now add it to the milk and let it come to a simmer. The cornstarch won't activate unless the milk starts to simmer. We are adding 1 tablespoon sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar to your liking. Mix everything well and now add the shredded dark chocolate and combine it thoroughly. You can switch off the gas at this point and your dark chocolate is ready to indulge in. Super easy and a match made in heaven for winter evenings. Have it as it is or add your favorite toppings. We are adding marshmallows here. Well, that's about it. Simple, right? Do try this recipe out. Until next time, have a great day and Happy New Year.